Now we're going to draw the line described by r of t equals the position vector 0, 2 plus scalar multiples of the direction vector 3, 1. So let's just draw those vectors. The position vector 0, 2 is that vector there. And the direction vector, let's see, over 3 up 1 is that vector there. So now r of 1 is going to be 0, 2 plus 1 times 3, 1. Now 1 times 3, 1, that's just 3, 1, right? That's just plus 3, 1. So doing vector addition, we're going to move this thing there. And the vector sum is that green arrow there. That points to that point there. All right, let's now look at r of 2. Again, that's 0, 2 plus 2 times 3, 1. Let's see, 2 times 3, 1. I'll just write this out again. 2 times 3, 1, that's 2 times 3, that's the vector. You got 2 times 3, 2 times 1. Right, let's see. So that would be 2 times 3, that's 6. 2 times 1, that's 2. So 2 times the vector 3, 1, right? That's just taking that thing out to there. Right, so it's really just shifting. Let's see, that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So over 6 up 2 from the initial point. So moving that initial point to the terminal point of our red position vector and going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up 2 gives us that vector there. Now cleaning things up a little bit. And drawing again, their sum, the sum of 2 times 3, 1 plus 0, 2, or 2 times the blue plus the red gives us that point there. Oops, wrong color, right? Gives us that point there. And now you can see we're getting, you can kind of see what's happening, right? 2 points define a line in the plane. And because we're in Calc 2, this is exactly what we're doing. In Calc 3, things will be a little different when you got 3 or more dimensions. And you can think of this as just getting you ready for that. But you can see that we are, in fact, drawing the line, the blue line that goes through those 2 dots. Let's do one more. Let's say, oops. Let's look at R of 3. And we're going to have 3 times 3, 1. Remember that that's just 3 times 3, 3 times 1 like so. So what we're going to have is 9, 3. And remember, that's just 3 times the blue. That's just 3 times this blue vector here. So 3 times that blue vector there, let's see, that's 1 time I have there, 2 times I have there, and 3 times I have there, right? And now we're just shifting this 3 times the vector 3, 1, where its initial point is the terminal point of 0, 2, the position vector. And so then we get out there like that. It points to this point here. And you see that we are, in fact, drawing that line.